Today we're talking about Scrum training and Scrum certification. Is it valuable or is it just completely now not necessarily, it's not needed now within the industries? So let's get the answer to that. So let's jump into my laptop. Today we're going to be looking at all the different Scrum providers. We've got Scrum.org here, we've got also Scrum Alliance here, and what I want to be specifically looking at is it valuable? How does it affect you in the job market? And how popular is this? So this is the major thing. By you understanding what's happening in the environment, what's happening in the market, you can make a better decision in terms of if you want to take a Scrum Master Training Course, a Scrum Master Certification soon as possible, or you never want to take it. That's the answer that we're trying to get today. So we're on the Scrum Alliance website, which is one of the very popular providers for Scrum Master Training, which is Certified Scrum Master Course. And believe it or not, guys, that was the first training course I took in my life. Just a point to add in there. And with the Scrum Alliance thing, you can see here, it's been established since 2001, a very reputable company here, and it has over look at the number here, 1.2 million certificates here, and look how many courses that have been run there, almost 67,000 courses, which is amazing across all the things. And the benefits of taking one of the Scrum Alliance courses for Scrum Master Training is obviously you get engaged teams, you want to build innovative products, and obviously delight your customers. And when you get into this environment, you get coaching, certification, you get to be a part of an established community, and most importantly, guys, resources is what you get access to. When you take these courses, you get access to videos, training manuals, to the community, and being part of something which people believe in, being part of something that people want you to be a part of, and how you can transform your career going forward. So it's a phenomenal thing to be a part of. So it's important, this is valuable, and even by the stats, what they're showing here, it's bloody valuable. And you can see here, guys, that it's some excellent reviews here. Obviously, it's excellent reviews since 2001. Instructor very experienced, fantastic, blah, blah, blah. Okay, very good stuff. But the thing that we're looking at here, guys, is we want to be exploring the specific certification here. And you can see here from Scrum Alliance, you've got a fantastic little track in terms of where you want to go. If you want to become a Scrum Master, there's a track there. If you want to become a product owner who wants to drive product decisions going forward, there's a specific track there for you. If you want to be a Scrum developer, which is basically the Scrum team, the development team, there's a specific track there for you. But obviously, guys, we're talking about the Scrum Master today, so which is this track. So you've got the Scrum Master, which is the first foundational course. Then you've got the Advanced Scrum Master, which is the next course. Then you've got the Professional Scrum Master, which is the PSM. Now, it's quite an important line of development, because it's actually meaning that there's a progression level here. And think about it, guys. That means that when you start off, you get, CSM training. And then once you get the CSM training, then you go on to Advanced Scrum Master. Then after that, you become a Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master. This is a progression route, and you can see how this would tie into your career, tie into your job promotion, tie into how you want to take your career forward. It's not just promotion and pay rises. It's also respect amongst your peers. It's also about understanding how you investing in yourself is actually driving you to gain the results for the company. Because at the end of the day, if you study and you practice this and you learn this stuff, where are you going to take it? You're going to bring it back to the company. You're going to deploy it within the company. So actually, it's well invested for your company to allow you to practice this stuff, to bring it to life, because then you become the best version of yourself. So Scrum Master training is extremely important, and Scrum Master certifications that back you up is even more important. So this is the Scrum Alliance stuff here. But guys, it's not just, also I want to show you here some more stuff here. Learn more, and you can see the importance of this course, hopefully when it loads. Become a Certified Scrum Master, and what is it? You can see some really good details here. Who should take it, guys? Anyone can take the course from my side, and obviously You've got a nice progression route. Why should I become a Scrum Alliance Scrum Master? They recurrent family member, Scrum turn certified Scrum Master. So 72% of job seekers said help my career progression was the biggest reason for earning the certified Scrum Master CSM. And guys, and that was one of the reasons why I started out taking the CSM first in my career, because it was a certification that was in demand. So that's the Scrum Alliance website. But also guys, let's look at Scrum.org. Scrum.org is another provider of certified Scrum Master Training Courses. And what it allows you here is to just really understand what Scrum Master Training, the different perspectives on it. So that was Scrum Alliance. We're going to be looking at Scrum.org now. So Scrum.org, again, welcome to the home of Scrum. And again, many courses here, but we're going to be looking at the Professional Scrum Master course here. And the Professional Scrum Master course here is actually very, very good, because it actually helps you understand on a literature level what it is. I always feel that the Scrum Alliance course is slightly more practical, and I feel like the Scrum Master Training Course from the PSM, from Scrum.org, is a little bit based more on literature. This is just my personal opinion on it, and don't quote me on it. Make your own judgments. Guys, some stuff I'm saying from experience here that I have felt, but it might be the case that I'm looking at it in a lens of, from my perspectives, I just like to be a little bit more practical here. But there might be some people that might like the literature version and they want to take it that from, what does it say from there, and take it forward themselves and develop their own perspectives. Both perspectives are completely fine. You make your own judgments about it. So this course is the same as the entry course, but the Scrum.org training is a little bit more, the exam is a little bit more tougher than the Scrum Alliance one. And again, learning objectives. Scrum teams deliver value to the organization, understand the theory and principles behind the Scrum and empiricalism, understand how each part of the Scrum framework ties back to the principles and theory, understand uncertainty, complexity in a product delivery, understand the meaning and importance of Scrum values, learn what done means and why it is crucial to transparency, know how to use the product backlog. All good stuff. Why wouldn't you want to take a course like this? And that's the question to the vast majority of all of you. Why wouldn't you want to take a CSM or a PSM? Why wouldn't you? It helps develop your capabilities, it helps develop your career to become the best version of yourselves. Why wouldn't you? So, plenty of attendance here. And guys, not to forget, if you want to attend one of my courses, my contact details are below, and I'll be happy to book you onto the next Scrum Master Training course very soon. And I hope to see you in one of those courses very soon as well. And you get PMI PDUs, which are always welcome as well. Okay, so that was Scrum Alliance and Scrum, but also guys, they are, if you do a Google search on Scrum training, you do have many others. And you can see here, guys, just based on you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ads here. So you know clearly that this is a hot space, and there's a lot of competition here because it's very valuable training indeed. But leaving the training aside, how can you practically use the information from this, the certifications? Why would you want to use this? And this is where I want to look at LinkedIn now. You can see here, I'm on my LinkedIn, and I've done a search here for Scrum Masters in the job search. And this is based in the United Arab Emirates, because I'm based here out in Dubai right now. And you can see here that there is a wealth of jobs available here, for Scrum Masters. So everyone that's always messaging me that I need help, I need this, I need extra cash, I need more money, I need to find a job, I need career promotion, career progression, why don't you guys look at Scrum Master Training and see how it can help you improve your skill set for the future? Think about it. It can really help you guys really transform your careers in the right path and take it forward. This is something you'd really want to consider here. And I'm always messaging people, why aren't you thinking about this? Why aren't you thinking about this? This is a legitimate thing that will help you progress in your career. But I hope this video is making more clarity, because I'm doing this video for you guys today. So you can see here, luxury goods, here, Scrum Alliance for Agile delivery, and you can see your Scrum Master, Agile coach, this is good. This is good. And I'm sure the salaries are going to be good here as well. You know, you'll get in the region of at least 30,000 dirhams plus, which is a very good, handsome salary to have. And yes, very good stuff here. And if you think about it now from the perspectives of that, if you take one of these courses here from Scrum Alliance, or if you take one from scrum.org and, you know, and look for jobs, and imagine if you had the credential, if you had the certificate, how much of a difference it would make for your career going forward. So that's your PSM and your CSM, and see how it can transform your career going forward. So guys, I just want to say, you've seen my details on the screen throughout as you've been watching the video. If you would like to book yourself onto one of our next courses, drop me a direct DM. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Feel free to share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. We've hit about 2,000 subscribers recently. The channel's growing very nicely, and that's all thanks to yourself. So I think you guys are enjoying the content. Thanks for watching.